to ask for account preferences, firstly just you have to open the LinkedIn app in your mobile, and you can see here there is an option of me add profile at the top. Click on it. Just click on the settings here. In this way this type of screen will appear. Now account preferences at the top, you can see account preferences. Before clicking on this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. You can see here your account preferences. In this way you can ask for account preferences which you want to prefer in your profile. This whole procedure is for iPhone as well as for Android. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.